If you want to make your LibreOffice Impress slides look more polished and professional, one of the easiest things you can do is add a gradient background. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a gradient background in LibreOffice Impress step by step, even if you've never used this feature before. This is a simple design change, but it can completely improve the look of your presentation and make your slides feel much more modern. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from scratch, look on the left side under Create and click Impress Presentation. If you already have a presentation saved, you can open that file instead and follow along inside your existing project. Once your presentation is open, make sure you're on the slide you want to edit, because the background changes can be applied slide by slide depending on how your file is set up. Now, go up to the top menu and click Slide. This is where LibreOffice keeps a lot of the slide level design options. From that menu, click Properties. When the Properties panel opens, you'll see several sections that let you customize the appearance of your slide. Look for the Background section, because that's where you can change the slide's color, image, or gradient. In the Background section, select Gradient. This tells LibreOffice that instead of using a flat color, you want the background to blend between two or more colors for a smoother and more dynamic look. After that, you'll be able to choose a gradient style. LibreOffice usually gives you a range of preset options, so you can test different looks until you find one that matches your presentation theme. Take a moment to browse through the available gradient styles. Some look subtle and clean, while others are more bold and colorful. If your presentation is for business, school, or a report, a softer gradient often works best. If you're making a creative presentation, a stronger gradient can help your slides stand out more. The key is to pick something that improves readability and doesn't distract from your content. Once you choose the gradient style you want, LibreOffice will immediately apply it, and you should see the slide background change to a gradient effect. That means your presentation now has a more styled and visually appealing look. If the colors feel too strong or the contrast makes your text harder to read, you can always go back and try a different gradient until it looks just right. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can add a gradient background in LibreOffice Impress and give your slides a much more professional design. This is a great way to make your presentations look cleaner, more modern, and more engaging without needing any advanced design skills. If you found this video useful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.